How to download TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how to download TurboTax. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now search for TurboTax download. Then scroll down and find the option of download and install TurboTax. Click on that. Once you click on this, it will bring you to this page. Here, you want to select your product. As you can see, there are different products here such as TurboTax Basic, TurboTax Deluxe, TurboTax Premier. Go ahead and select your preferred plan. Once you select this, it's going to ask you your computer's operating system. Select either Windows or MacOS. Once you select it, it will start downloading. After the downloading has been completed, you want to go to Downloads folder, then double-click to launch TurboTax. Now you want to have your license code ready, then follow these steps to install and activate your software. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.